Hi, today I have 1626. 1626, which is the best team with no conflict. You're manager of basketball team. For the upcoming tournament, you want to choose the team with the highest overall score. The score of the team is the sum of the score of all players of the team. However, the basketball team is not allowed to have conflict. Conflict exists if a younger player has strictly higher score than older player. Okay, a conflict does not occur between players of the same age. Okay, then the two least scoring ages represent the score of the player to return the highest overall score in basketball team. Okay, so the thing that we can do is immediately we can sort by age, and then if we have if age is then we enumerate through iterate. So first I can zip to arrays, right? Or I can calculate first ages length, and then I can age score. I can have a zip of ages and scores, and also I can sort it. So it's age score. So it will be list of age score for age score in zip age score. So at the end, we're gonna have sorted array by age, and then as I iterate for I can iterate enumerate AGS. I'm gonna have index and age and score, right? And then what can I say if every following is less than previous age, or rate is more. So if age is and score is less than so iterate and include only folder and score and higher score. So if older and higher scores than the previous, then we include. So we have to have a like score which is 0, and here we assign score and we return score at the end, right? And we have to assign also A1 S1 S1 A1, which is -1 right there once. Okay, so we include, if we exclude it, we have to assign a different value. So in this case, we have A1 equal A, S1 equal, now I can do this. All right, and what else? And I have to like initialize if I equals 0. No, if I more than 0 and a less than 0, that means we are stepping into first record. And here we assign previous one, right? AGS y minus 1. Yeah, iterating would only overhand score. Sort by age. So this is looking good. Okay. This works. This works. This doesn't. Why it's not working? So GS sorted. Extremely low age. And oh, okay. So see, if we include only this player, we can get 5. But if we exclude this player and include these players, we're gonna have 6, which is higher. Okay, so I cannot solve it by this. I have to. I have to somehow include all results, like, so I can use dynamic programming, and so this is my first attempt. And so how about ideas that we're gonna have some kind of array in which array of n players, right, or L, for every DP, for every element we're gonna have, score if this it's score, but that means score that if all wait. So how about if we have if we have this player included, what will be the score? So meaning this array, what will be the score if player I included? So dpi will have. So it's like a brute force, because we cannot do this because we're missing this thing. What we can do, we can select first player and all of this. Then we can this player and we can select exclude or include player. So we have to make a decision what will be best if we exclude this player or we include this player. So this is like the existed next between existed. So and because if we are in, okay. So this will be if we have without including this player. If this will be if we include this player. So but so we still need to define score variable, which is 0. Okay, so by default we include this, but then we go and we find if gel j dpj. So and we have to include only if dp, only if AGS I less, so AGS j I don't know. So rule of the thumb that we create like we don't have to go all the way to the end. We can always go to the I, right? For j in range I, because in this case they all will be less than h. Therefore, we are adding them here. Okay, let's see dp. What will be dp in this case? Oh, okay, I have something on top. I have to align it. And I have to define. So we have to. Okay, let's do like this. Score equal. We add score and we add score. I want to also print IGS. Let's call it result. And here for every I, we will be calculating result. Max result TPI. If age is or equal, right? So it has one, it has 2, 3, 4. So it should include everything, right? According to this, if more, if I then j. I think I have to reverse it. So to do AGS equal sort, and then said AGS sort reverse it equal true. So if ij next is more than I, no, non-type is not successful. Low score is equal to IGS I. Let's bring these guys here. Okay, let's do this. Let's unpack it. Oh, it's zeros. Yeah, something is wrong. Oh, sort is not returning anything. Okay. Okay. So it's like we can include this. We can include this because score is less. H is less. So first we start with I. Yeah, I still don't know why. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't know how to do it. So yeah, I will see how it's done and try to learn. We'll try to learn from it. All right, that's it for today. Thank you.